Our last week here on Isabela Island, and we want to make the most of it. So I think we're going to take some tours and celebrate somebody's birthday.
Yeah, so we're gonna jump on some mountain bikes and check the island out.
Ah, and we're gonna party for your birthday. Check it out. It's Carla's birthday, and we're going out to dinner. The taxi Aquatico's on its way. Let the party begin. Woo, woo, woo. So now we're going down. And I'm finally going to learn how to use GoPro. Hard pedaling. This whole ride to the Wall of Tears is hard pedaling.
Hi, buddy. Didn't mean to disturb you.
Are here in Isabela, and it just happens to be Carla's decade birthday. So born on a decade, I can't say what decade.
She's 30.
It's Carla's birthday, and we're going out to dinner. The taxi Aquatico's on its way. Let the party begin. Woo, woo, woo.
Puerto Rico, esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupe Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja, que gocen.
We walk over to the Royal Rock restaurant as they've arranged a special dinner for our birthday celebration. Special thanks to David and the gang for an amazing night.
Siempre baila, baila y goza, mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, bomba.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
Wow.
That looks good. Gracias. Gracias. Wow. Yummy.
Time for the main course, the entree.
Wow. We have heart-shaped potatoes, tuna, lobster, and shrimp. Bon appetit.
Buon provecho. What do you got, Carla?
There you go.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at these cakes.
I just want to explore here because I think Kevin might lick his plate soon because this is what Kevin's plate looks like and this is what Carla's plate looks like. Delicious meal at the Royal Rock. Now we gotta walk all the way back to our taxi.
The pier.
It's so far away.
Taxi Aquatico.
But look at this. There's like a market in the town.
Is that what you want to check out?
We're gonna go check it out and see what's going on. I think there's a party going on. Friday night market. Got some PJs.
Ice cream and coffee. No. I think that's PJ.
These guys are selling food.
Food and food.
We're almost there. We're at the halfway point to our taxi aquatico. We're at our final destination. And they're working tonight. They're still filling barges. There are no docks in the Galapagos, so when a cargo ship arrives, everything is transported on and off the ship via barges and crane. This crew is definitely burning the midnight oil tonight. This is what they've been doing all day with these barges.
Yeah, literally all day yesterday, too. Oh.
Hola. Taxi to Gargoyle?
Okay, miss. 5 minutes, please.
Gracias.
Okay.
So now we're going to town. And I'm finally going to learn how to use a GoPro. It's beautiful here. Yeah, we've been here 2 weeks. Next, let's see, on Tuesday's 2 weeks. And we're gonna go over to Santa Cruz next, and then back to San Cristobal because we can get a boat trip on the 22nd, which is a week and a half away. Isabela Island to see the only nesting ground in the entire world of the waved albatross. And we're walking towards the town of Villamil on Isabela in the Galapagos Islands. So we're gonna try to find a place that'll rent us bikes. And we've been walking past this little tienda on a frequent basis. And every time we walk by, the gentleman wants to rent us bicycles or get us ice cream bars, one or the other. So I think we'll take him up on some bicycles. You'll notice the streets here are sand, which is pretty cool. And then when you get downtown, they have big ass curbs that you go off. So you gotta be careful.
We rent our bikes, get a quick tutorial, and we are on our way. First, we must ride through Port Villamil and then into the national park where we're going to visit the Wall of Tears.
To the Wall of Tears. I'm going to be crying before we get there, I think. Hard pedaling. This whole ride to the Wall of Tears is hard pedaling. The sand is not packed because there are no tortoises on the island. So, good workout today. Dodging iguanas on the beach.
The 7-kilometer trail starts off along the beach, and Kevin is right. The first 15 minutes was tough pedaling through the sand. But the ride along the seaside is beautiful as we pass by the beaches and lava flows along the way. We arrive at the national park entrance where we sign in and get a picture with our park ranger. The ranger advises us to bike the entire trail to the wall and then stop along the other sites on the way back. Kevin is thankful we are now on a hard-packed trail as the biking will get easier. Little did he know it was a slow climb uphill.
Candelabra cactus, which they look like candelabras. So as we ride this, I suspect on an average Sunday during the season to be full of tourists. You'll notice we're it.
As we pedal through the wetlands, we pass by iguanas and tortoises along the way. All the sites are well marked, and with the additional wildlife, we were instructed to pedal slowly to ensure their safety. The Wall of Tears is a 100-meter rock wall built by the Ecuadorian convicts when the island housed a penal colony. The colony was closed in 1959, however the wall remains as a monument of the harsh conditions and this infamous chapter in the island's history.
Here I am, I was waiting to get a video of Carla up on top of the wall because she was gonna be the intrepid climber. What happened? Oh, I thought you were going all the way to the top of the mountain there. Oh, okay. I'll have to see this video to see if this is true.
Now for the easy part. We start our way back and it's all downhill from here. There are many stops along the way with viewpoints, wetlands, estuaries, and beaches. And always watch out for the slow-moving traffic along the way. Buddy, we didn't mean to disturb you. The ranger provided great advice and we made our stops on the way back to Port Villamil. We decided to take a quick look at the lava tunnels and check out some of the local beaches. After a full day of cycling and beach walking, it's time to head back and find a frosty beverage and a snack. Cheers, honey. Cheers, madam. This little seaside restaurant was perfect. We enjoyed delicious empanadas for $1.50 each. So good, we had two. Empanada. It's Cameroon Day.
Well, it has been a fantastic final week here on Isabela and Puerto Villamil. Special thanks to the entire team at Royal Rock. David, you have a wonderful restaurant. We really enjoyed the birthday celebrations, but
it's time to move on. We've got only 2 or 3 weeks left here in the Galapagos, so we need to head to Santa Cruz Island. So we're going to grab our Zarpe, pull up the anchor, and head out.
So, thanks for watching. It's our last week here, and I can't do this with her sitting. Get her off there. She's a little too much. There you go. Hi, my name's Kevin. I sail for a living.
You know I'm going to cut all this.
And I talk a lot because it gives my wife something to edit now. Action. An action camera. Oh, boom. We're riding horses. Oh, I'm galloping. Why is it upside down?
I'm upside down. Hit the button.
No, I didn't. Did I?
Okay.
Oh, I don't know. We're having a spousely argument. I know my wife can fix this, though. So we're in Villamil and we're walking on our hands. I really could lick those plates.
No, that sounds disgusting.
Go. Come on. Say something intelligent. I know you can.
Well, stop scratching and looking like a monkey, and then we'll get this time.
Go. It's not so easy, is it?
Monkey man.
Where?